what IDEs are actually using OpenVSX? Is it pretty universal, or are there just kind of a handful right now that have adopted the format?
There are really only two base IDEs that
Mm-hmm.
can run VS Code extensions. That is VS Code or Theia,
Okay.
Eclipse Theia. So those are the two. Because they need to implement the VS Code API, which is
Mm-hmm.
quite big. But from there are a lot of derivations, of course, like different VS Code
Mm-hmm.
is not customized a lot, but there is VS Code yum, and then also VS Code runs in Gitpod and so on.
Mm-hmm.
For Theia, there are more, very different products because Theia is more customizable and is also built to allow you to really build a customized product on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and yeah, so every Theia derived product basically is a candidate for that.